story so far. We got a new moka pot from Carrefour, made of volcanic rock. Fantastic marketing, but it looks good. We follow James Hoffman on YouTube. He's a coffee guru. He has a few basic tips on how to make better coffee in a moka pot. Given this is a brand new moka pot, I thought we should try it. He's brilliant. Follow him and let's see if it's true. One of the tips from James is to use hot water in the reservoir, which sometimes is not practical because when you've got motorhomes queuing outside going, oh, can we try your coffee? Then 2 will do the job, because normally it takes me 3 brews. And we used to use hot water years ago before dial-up was invented with Dr. Nick Mason when we were out trekking together. If you follow James, he's just bought a vintage coffee machine and having it restored in Italy. Now, here's a challenge, James. We're going to be in Venice on the 24th of April. Let's meet and have a cup of coffee. One of the tips I didn't know about was you mustn't let the coffee get angry. And actually keep the lid open so you can actually watch it and then take it off the heat to let it... Today we're making coffee inside because it's a little bit cold outside, it's only 10. And we're going to use the gas because induction is cheating, because when I'm outside I use gas. Now the other tip from James is to disperse the heat when you're on the gas. We don't have a heat disperser, but we have a pan. Today we're using Barrister blend from Coffee Advocates. Let's make coffee. Cheers, James. Thank you.